This is absolutely where I'm supposed to be. It's my mission, it's my calling. I don't feel like it's a job. It's just what I'm supposed to be doing. My job as the breast cancer nurse navigator is to just basically pick that woman up from the time of diagnosis, sometimes even before diagnosis, and just navigate, lead her through the medical system. I don't ever take lightly when I pick up that phone and call that woman and tell her she has breast cancer. I always pray for them before I make that phone call, and because I know that that is a defining moment in their life, that their life can never be what it was before that phone call. And to just be able to love on and encourage them and let them know that it's going to be okay. And I don't mean it's going to be okay, I can tell you that you're going to be cured from this breast cancer, but I just mean that you are going to get what you need, you are going to be in excellent hands through this process, and that we are going to guide you every step of the way. I tell women almost daily, that blessings come from these experiences in our life, and many times they look at me like I'm crazy. And I had a patient tell me yesterday, and she's gone through a lot. She said, this has been nothing but blessing after blessing. And you just see the preciousness of life. I've got 5 grandbabies now, that all those years ago, there was that part of you that thought, well, gosh, will I ever see this happen? Good, positive things come from those experiences, when you look back. When you're in the middle of it, you don't see it. But as you look back, you just see blessing after blessing after blessing. When I was diagnosed, I was stage 2B. I did a surgery first, and then I did chemotherapy and radiation. I listened to what I had been telling my patients for years. I did exactly what I'd been telling them, and it worked, it helped. Like, I had seen so many women walk that path before me, and my thought was, what, if they can do this, I can do it. And you do. It is a humbling experience for you. You know as a wife, as a mother, as a sister, you know how loved you are. But boy, this just really magnifies it and just puts it in your face. Before I was diagnosed, I really never considered myself to be all that strong. But after that experience, I am dang strong. And I know that there's nothing that I can't handle. And that's what I want. That's what I want all of these ladies to know and understand, that they can do that too. I'm kind of like a mama with a whole lot of children, and I just look at all of them with just great pride for what they've gone through and how they've come out on the other side stronger and better than before. Every day is special, and that even, whenever you're in the midst of craziness and life gets busy, just to be so appreciative of the moment, and really living in the moment, because that's all any of us have is today, and just doing the very best you can today.